Kuan sa ikon armadunggan din ni Ferdinand para sa iya.
Masulti pa na.
Okay.
Silensyo.
Good afternoon, Pastor Ferdinand Zico. We are here, the son of Care of Mvc College. Would like to offer this song for you. The song entitled "Someone is Praying for You." Remember, Elder Ferds, that your comrades, your fellow son of Care is praying for you, especially sa imong health.
Amen.
God will bless you.
Amen.
Someone is praying for you. Someone is praying for you. So when it seems you're all alone and your hearts will break in two, remember someone is praying for you.
As the clouds run you gathered in the midst of the storm, is your ship tossed and battered? Are you weary and worn? Don't lose hope, someone's praying for you this very day, and peace be still is already on your way. Someone is praying for you. Someone is praying for you. So when it seems you're all alone and
Amen.